because you have disrespected Gillette. Okay. But the inclusion of Gillette in the first 11, you are not happy with the decision. Any view on this? The inclusion of Gillette in the first 11, you are not happy with it.
So I'm respect João. Next one. No, it's not about that. It's, I never will disrespect anyone. What I was talking is about disrespecting. What I feel about disrespect was that no one had informed me that I was out of the first 11. Similarly, filho, vem que meu pai vem. Vem que meu pai vem. Vem cá. I don't disrespect anyone. I said if you could say I put Joel in your place, Barreto, I say because of this reason, I could say it's okay, because of this reason, and maybe we want to draw or we'll play more defensively today or something like that. It's okay, but what was my talking today was about no one has informed me about that, the decision that was taken. And at least me, as I think, as a captain, not as a player, but as the captain of Mohammedan, and the player that has been scoring the last 2 matches, at least a small goal, say Barreto will do it. It's okay, at least with my content.
Okay.
So it's okay, I'm ready, I have no problem.
Okay.
Okay, Dulal has also said that you have also mentioned the sentiments, the passion that supporters show for you is false. That's all got upset. They has also
Guys, I'm saying, you are the only one supporters being the only one that been supporting me. Club is there, but sometimes it can be shaking or that, but frankly talking about supporters, never have seen anything, even from my eyes, or supporters they come against me, never. Opposite of that, supporters they have been supporting me for a long of these years, good times, even bad times, I think supporters has been the ones that that made me to stand until today, because even the club, sorry to say, but even the club I don't trust anyone, but supporters, I'm really, it's been the thing that, that has been with me any time, So, about that, guys, I'm saying, the day supporters, they come to me and say, Barreto, you stop or something like that, I say, I stop, it's not a problem. But the day the club is telling me to stop, I say, it's the club. The day the club is telling me, say, we don't want you, I say, it's fine. I'm going, or something like that. But the day the supporters is telling me, Barreto, we don't want you anymore of that, it's okay.
Have you spoken to Dulal on this topic? After this article is come out?
I did talk with him about that because I didn't know about that.
Okay.
I got some information today, but because I'm not really involved,
Okay.
So I think he has to write something extra.
Okay.
Okay.
There's something.
He had to do something extra on me.
Okay.
And this was the thing,
Okay.
about my statement. What I'm doing, I'm not pointing anyone in the class. I'm not pointing the club as well, officials. I'm not pointing the coach. It was just something that I was feeling. And I have the right to tell what I'm feeling.
Exactly.
Because I'm Barreto, I don't have the right to tell what I'm feeling.
Okay.
I just felt that. But any player having the right to say that. Even Daniel, even anyone say, even anyone, he has to express even in that way, but everyone has the right to express. And so I think I had the right to express myself. I was not happy, I was happy. But I didn't point anyone, I didn't say it was because of the coach or because of the officials. I didn't say anything about that. Even today I didn't talk with any video, media or something like that. I think a lot of people have come today from video, but you see, I don't want things to go further. It was my sentiment yesterday. What I was feeling yesterday, I said yesterday, and for me it's so much. It's enough for me.
What are the reactions of the footballers? What are the reactions of the other footballers?
I didn't have any talk with any player,
Okay.
about that. It come out just today. I didn't go to the club.
Okay.
I just went for MRI. I went to hospital to do my MRI. And I didn't talk with any player or that.
Have you spoken to the officials regarding this issue?
I didn't talk about that yet.
Okay.
I think tomorrow we'll be talking and discuss about that.
Are you planning to talk with Dulalji? Because these articles,
I'll be
Marathon
talking-
has got a brand name. Article like this has a brand name. So are you planning to talk to
Of
Dulalji?
course, about supporters, of course, I have to talk about that.
He has also mentioned that you are planning to move out of Mumbai.
No, what I said that I said that I was planning to play maybe 1 year more, but after the incident, I really thought about that. Maybe it's the time to stop, because I really feel a bit disrespected. You know, as the captain of Mohammedan and being for so long in the club, at least not at least one sentence, at least what you think about that. Even I could consent. I've been a player that's been very flexible in Mohammedan. When I have to be on bench, I will be on bench and be happy on bench, because I know it's the best thing, you know, to do. Where I know that it's the best thing to do, I'm fine. I have no problem with that. The only thing that was, there is no talking. No one has talked with me about that. I have no ego problem. If I play with Bengal match, I have played already more than 30 with Bengal match. It's not because of that. I think I just deserve at least one question. But I thought it's okay. So I could say, yeah, it's okay. If it's okay for me to be on bench, for me it's okay. If the team will get with that, for me it's fine. You know. Only about that I have to talk. Really, I have to come to media about that. But about what I was feeling, I don't have to give any excuse about that. You know, about officials or about coach. It was what I was feeling. I cannot come say, oh.
So we respect you as a god, but he has written something that is everything rubbish. You only think that when you score goal,
No,
I only covered that.
I didn't say that.
he has mentioned in the first line of that article.
No, I didn't talk about that. I'll be talking personally with Zulal about this. And I'll be coming on media. I think on Friday I'll be going to the club. And probably I'll make a press conference on that. Just to talk about EU supporters that. Because really, about Mohammedan supporters, I haven't a single thing. I don't have a single thing to
The
say.
most important thing is that
I don't have it. Contrary, I have only good things to say about Mohammedan. Because it's not Mohammedan supporters.
most important thing is that article headline is that all the emotion we show, this is all everything false.
Means the emotion, the passion, the love that
We show
supporters.
that we say you're the god. Everything is false.
No, guys.
That headline is.
I will talk with Zulal about that. I think
I have already
he just gone bit further.
No, I have already met Dulal today in the afternoon.
No, he gone bit further. Because my point was,
No, I have met with Arunda of Prabidin.
Yeah.
No,
my point was that,
Arunda asked for the
because my point was, it was that I just opened my heart for him and said, Zulal, really a bit hurt, because in West Bengal match, I think I was ready to play. You know, it's not only because I was the captain of the team, but because I had done the last 2 matches. So I just think it was a match for me. And one of the things that I was not informed about that. If someone has informed me, at least say, Barreto, you'll be on bench, or have tell me about that, or have asked me. Even people, they don't have to ask me. If I will sit on the bench, people, they don't want, I believe they don't have to ask me. They only say, Barreto, you'll be on the bench today. Fine.
No, whatever Dulal has written, it's okay, but others people are not listening to it.
Guys, what are
They are not believing it. They know Dulal very well, so it's.
All the other reporters, they say Marathon cannot give this statement.
I have called everybody,
Ah.
and I have met everybody today in the press club. Except Dulal, everyone says Marathon cannot say
They cannot
this.
give this statement.
No, it's good. I'll be talking in the media on Friday, and then we get these 2 points. One of you, I'm saying you, I am talking to you about supporters, will be that guys, really, I'm not made me to forget what you all have done for me. You all
It has spread like a tsunami among the
of course,
supporters.
it was true. Because I know what was writing. And another thing was about Daniel. I respect Daniel as I respect anyone there, even in local boys. If you can ask to anyone, I respect everyone. You know, only I'm saying about be in bed, be in what when mentioned there Daniel. When I say mention Daniel, but because Daniel has been put in my place. When I mentioned that I was in better condition, and I had proved that in the last 2 nights that I was in good condition and I had scoring 2 goals. So what I said that I believe I deserve to be in the first 11. I deserve to be in the team. So this was the thing, you know.
But all the Mohanbagan supporters, Director lovers, they are saying that the team spirit now has gone down a lot. What do you want to say?
It's all I'm saying. If the spirit has come down, I'm saying. If I was really making a thing of bigger or something like that, I have talked with all the people in this day. It's all rubbish. All this the spirit of the team will come down because I just spoke with Dulal and I didn't talk with any video media, I didn't give any preview and make any show of that. I didn't talk. If I was making show of it, I could talk with all the media. I could make a press conference today.
That's the place.
And talk with all of them and say make it the issue. But really, I don't want to make it the issue because it was my point of view. It's what I think. It's what Pareto. I believe that I wasn't the best to play. I was the captain. I had scored the 2 last night. I had scored a goal, and no one had at least said to me, no asking if I could sit on bench. But at least they could make a affirmation separate with your bench. Fine. Okay? I just feel that. I'm saying I'm free to express my feelings. It was my feelings. It was my heart. So I just feel that about, the decision. I'm not saying that really. I didn't talk about the coach. I don't feel anything against the coach. I don't feel anything against the officials. I just feel that the decision was wrong. I think I can say that. But it not means that what I'm saying is right. It's what I feel. Maybe to the outside people, some people they say, oh, but it is right or it is wrong. But I don't know and I don't care. It's what I say and it's what I feel. Everyone can express,
Yeah.
what. Huh?